Wow. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey girly! So today's video is going to be a swimsuit try-on haul. I got some swimsuits from CUPSHESWIMWEAR and it is officially hot outside. I got these swimsuits about a month ago because I thought I was putting some shit together and I thought I was gonna start going swimming, and then the rain hit, and then the wind, and then the hail, and then everything just came out of nowhere. It is now finally hot outside, so I'm about to start going swimming, and I'm gonna show you guys the swimsuits that I picked up. All the swimsuits I got are from CUPSHESWIMWEAR, and I got all of them in a size medium. Make sure you guys check out the sizing charts so you can make sure you get the correct sizing, because I know sometimes with ordering swimsuits online you just assume, oh, I'm a medium here, so I'm probably a medium there. No, you need to actually follow the size charts. Let's go ahead and get started with this try on haul, and if you guys are interested in any of these swimsuits, all of them will be in the description below. So the first two-piece set that I got is this black and white one. So this is how the top looks. I thought this was so cute. I've seen tons of people with swimsuits like this and I've never personally bought one myself, so I thought this would be a cute little purchase. It's a bandeau with just one strap basically. It does come with a little padding in there. I do always end up taking the padding out because it's so uncomfortable to me. And then this is what the bottom looks like. Full coverage bottom. Your cheeks are barely gonna be hanging out unless you got a lot going on back there. It's not the case for me, so I'm nice and snug in this. Swimsuit's very comfortable. I don't know why, but I thought the top was just gonna like bother me for some reason because it only has one strap, but it actually fits really good, so I'm happy with this one. The next swimsuit is this two-piece brown one. Now typically I don't go for swimsuits this color because when I tan, I turn this color. I don't want to look naked on the beach and look like I just have like I'm just naked. So I'm probably gonna put this one on before I get super orange and tan, but this is what the bottom looks like. It has some frills going on the top, which I think is super, super cute. Got a full coverage bottom, and then the top looks like this, if I could grab the straps. So this is what the top looks like. It's another bandeau with two straps on it. Has the little metal piece to secure it in the back. Never had any issues with these. In the past, I used to think, oh my gosh, it's probably just gonna open and slip off, but never had an issue with that clasp yet. So like I said, this is what the swimsuit looks like. It does come with the little pads in there as well, but your girl don't use them. Also, no complaints on this swimsuit as well. I feel like this one fits pretty good too. The next swimsuit I'm showing you is this two-piece. So the top fits a little funny for some reason to me. Maybe it's just the way it fits on my body, but I feel like the top fits a little awkward in this area, and you guys will see when I show you like the try on. I just feel like it fits a little awkward. Other than that, I think it's great. I think it'll give like a really cute tan line in the back. No complaints about the bottom. The bottom fits really well. It's just the top, like that little area right here. I don't like the way it bunches. I feel like it feels kind of weird, but other than that, like I said, no complaints. This is what the bottom looks like. I guess they try to do like a little thing right here to give you like, to make your butt look nicer, but I mean, it didn't really do anything. Again, like I said, no complaints about that swimsuit other than the top feeling a little like bunched up right there. Maybe that's because I don't have tits though, so I don't know. This swimsuit is probably my favorite. I just think it's so cute. Definitely gonna see me rocking this on the gram, but I just think this swimsuit is so freaking cute. So this is what the bottom looks like. Again, full coverage, has like some little frills on there, but the top is what sold me the most. When I saw it on the website, I was like, that's gonna look so cute on. So this is what it looks like. It looks a little loose, but that's because like it's not all tied up. You guys will see with the try on. But like the way it wraps around the body, I just think it looks so adorable. I love the way it fits. Everything about the swimsuit makes me feel confident, and that's what you're supposed to feel when you're wearing a swimsuit, because I mean, you're kind of naked. So finding the perfect swimsuit to make you feel comfortable and confident is definitely key, and I know how hard that is to find one that makes you feel that way. But after putting this one on, I'm like, yes, I'm ready. So I wanted to try something different, and I actually got some one pieces. I never typically wear them because I feel like they make me look like a square, but these ones actually fit decent, so I'm gonna be rocking these. So this is the first one. It's a mix match. You have some white on the top and then black on the bottom, and you can definitely tell that this one kind of like shapes your body a bit as well. Gives you a little bit of like, if you don't have a waist, it gives you a waist. And everybody has a waist, but you know what I mean when I say a waist. This swimsuit also gives a little bit of under boobage, so if you're not comfortable with that, then definitely keep that in mind, because my boobs definitely started to come out a little bit underneath, and my boobs aren't big. I'm like a small C cup. So the fact that they were pouring out a little bit means that that's probably gonna happen for a lot of people. And then this is what it looks like on the back, the same amount of coverage. I think it's a pretty cute swimsuit. It's just if you're not comfortable with that under boobage, then that could be a problem. The next one piece I got is this one. It's white on the top, yellow on the bottom. It shows off your like midriff, your side, your ribs or whatever. I have a tattoo right there, so that'll look cool. My only complaint about this swimsuit is that I feel like the strap on this side is a little short. So if you do have a long torso, that might be a problem for you. I personally feel like I have a long torso, so I feel like it looks a little bunched up in that area. So I don't know, that's just my opinion. I mean, it fits good. Other than that, no complaints, but I do feel like it does bunch up a little bit right there. Next swimsuit I got is another two-piece, and this is another one of my favorites. So this is what the bottom looks like. It's yellow. Looks like that. Looks like that. And then here's the top. The top is so cute and fits so cute as well. So this is the way the front looks. And then the side has like this little opening, and then this is what the back looks like. I just think this swimsuit is so cute, and it also fits really good. I feel like this is one of those swimsuits that, like, no matter your body type, this will just make you look like a bomb ass bitch. That's just in my opinion. And the last swimsuit I got is this nude pink and white one. So as you can see, it's lined with like the nude pink, and then the rest of it is a white swimsuit. This one is a different fit than the rest of them. I noticed with these kinds of swimsuits, people like to pull these all the way up. Don't do that. You're gonna give yourself a yeast infection. Don't do that. There are swimsuits made for you to pull them all the way up, but girl, don't give yourself a yeast infection. So this is what the swimsuit looks like front and back. This one's really comfortable as well. I really like the way the top fits. Like these types of tops, I feel like I like the way I look in them. So yeah, this is the last swimsuit that I got. So I just wanted to show you guys my swimsuits for the spring break season, because I mean, I'm always showing you guys clothes, and I feel like why not show you guys bikinis as well. Cupshe has hundreds of swimsuits, because I remember when I was looking for these, I was scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, and a lot of them are for a really good deal. Like you can find sets for under 20 bucks, and typically if you go to the store, you're gonna find one piece for like 25. I'm very happy with all the swimsuits that I got. I'm super excited to go on vacation. Y'all are about to be getting a travel vlog. Stay tuned. Like I said, if you guys are interested in any of these swimsuits, all of the links and everything will be in the description below, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.